ever replayed an embarrassing moment from years ago while lying in bed? You're not alone, and there's a real reason your brain won't let it go. Meet our human. Tonight, he's just trying to fall asleep, but his brain has other plans. Out of nowhere, a memory pops up. That time he tripped in front of his whole class, 10 years ago. He winces, pulls the blanket over his face. Why does this still feel so real? To understand why, we need to look inside the brain, specifically a tiny structure called the amygdala. The amygdala is your brain's alarm system. It flags anything emotionally intense, especially fear and shame. Our human imagines a tiny alarm bell going off in his head the moment he tripped. When the amygdala fires, it tells the brain, "This matters. Save it carefully." That's very different from how the brain treats boring moments, like brushing your teeth yesterday. Our human brushes his teeth, expressionless. This moment vanishes from memory within hours. But embarrassing moments get special treatment. They're stamped with emotion. And emotion is memory's glue. Next stop, the hippocampus, the brain's filing cabinet for long-term memories. Our human imagines a tiny filing cabinet, carefully labeling a folder. Embarrassing, do not delete. The hippocampus links the memory to details, the smell of the room, the sound of laughter, the exact feeling in his stomach. That's why embarrassing memories come back so vividly. They're not just facts, they're full sensory experiences. There's also a survival reason behind all this. Our ancestors lived in tight social groups. Our human imagines himself as a caveman, dropping food in front of the tribe. Being embarrassed in front of the group could mean losing status, or even safety. So the brain evolved to remember social mistakes strongly to help us avoid repeating them. Our human nods slowly. So my brain thinks it's protecting me. Exactly. Shame is uncomfortable, but it's also a teacher. It shapes future behavior. There's another factor too, repetition. The more you replay a memory, the stronger it gets. Our human imagines the memory looping again and again, like a movie stuck on replay. Each replay reactivates the same brain pathways, reinforcing the connection. Ironically, trying to forget it by thinking about it makes it stronger, not weaker. Our human sighs, rubbing his temples. So, overthinking is the problem? Partly, yes. But there's good news. This process can be interrupted. Our human sights up, curious, leaning toward the camera. One method, reframing. Instead of "everyone judged me," try "everyone forgot within a day." Studies show people remember their own embarrassing moments far longer than others do. Our human imagines his classmates from years ago. None of them even remember the moment. This is called the spotlight effect. We overestimate how much others notice or remember us. Our human smiles slightly, feeling a weight lift off his shoulders. Another trick, self-compassion. Talking to yourself like you would a friend reduces the emotional charge. Our human places a hand on his own chest, breathing slowly. Over time, with less replaying and more compassion, the memory loses its sting, even if it never fully disappears. Our human lies back down, more relaxed now, blanket pulled up comfortably. So the next time an old memory creeps in at 2 a.m., remember, your brain isn't punishing you. It's just an overprotective alarm system doing its best to keep you safe. Our human closes his eyes, finally at peace. Good night, brain. We got this.